G'day folks, how's it going? So today's been a bit of a disaster. Looks like I've destroyed third gear on my bike because I was taking it easy on it because I just done a valve adjustment and replaced one of the rocker arms on the exhaust on this bike due to the one of the roller bearings being broken. So that went well, but I noticed when I was riding I didn't have third gear. So I'm going to pull it apart tomorrow, and I'm expecting to find a whole lot of gearing and stuff in the bottom of the oil pan. So I'll keep you updated. Hopefully I can buy third gear. I think I can from the UK. I do that because it's just easier and quicker to get parts. Royal Enfield in New Zealand are pretty slow. I've emailed them a few times for getting parts on the bike, and they just haven't replied or got back to me. So I just go elsewhere. I'll probably have to crack apart the engine case, which I'm not looking forward to, but it's something I just guess I'll have to get over and just get it done. But we'll figure that out tomorrow.